Good morning, everyone. I am here today to explain about hardware under Macintosh virus window. But before that, play my intro.
With the fresh type of flow, wrist icicle, ride deck bicycle.
Hardware. Hardware is a collective term that used to describe any of physical components of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes the tangible aspect of a computing device from a software, which consists of written instructions that tell physical components what to do. Macintosh virus window. First, the circuit board inside a computer that executes instructions on behalf of program. Modern computer of processor can process millions of instructions in a second. Processors are the brains behind a computer. They control the logic that can perform calculation and run programs on your computer. It is used to provide the instruction and processing power the computer needs to do its work. The more powerful and updated your processor, the faster your computer can complete its task. By giving a more powerful processor, you can help your computer think and work faster. And the main processor, or just processor, is the electronic circuitry that executes instructions compressing a computer program. A cache is a hardware or software component that stores data so that future requests for the data can be served faster. The data stored in a cache might be the result of the earlier computation or a copy or data stored elsewhere. Cache memory was usually located on the motherboard. Cache is a reserved storage location that collects temporary data to help websites, browsers, and apps load faster. System bus. The system bus is a pathway composed of cables and connectors used to carry data between a computer, microprocessor, and the main memory. The bus provides a communication path of the data and control signal moving between the major components of the computer system. The system bus works by combining the functions of the three main buses, namely the data, address, and control buses. Each of the three buses has its separate characteristic and responsibility. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. The motherboard is a computer's central communication backbone connectivity point, through which all components and internal peripherals connect. Operating system. An operating system is a software that acts as an interface between computer, hardware components, and the user. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Applications like browser, MS Office, Notepad games, or etc. The operating system helps you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. Storage device. Storage device is any type of computing hardware that is used for storing, porting, or extracting data, files, and objects. Storage device can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently. They may be internal and external to the computer, server, or computing device. Example, hard disk drive. It is usually installed internally in a computer attached directly to the desk controller of the computer motherboard. Memory card. alternatively referred to a flash memory card. A memory card is a type of storage media that is often used to store photos, videos, or other data in electronic devices. Input and output devices. An input and output device, often known as an I/O device, is any hardware that allows human operator or other system to interface with a computer. Input and output devices, as the name implies, are capable of delivering data, that's its output, to and receiving data for a computer input. Just example, input, keyboard. The keyboard is the most frequent and widely used input device for entering data into a computer. The output device example, printer. Printer are output devices that allow you to print information on paper. Expansion bus. An expansion bus is an assortment of wires that allows for computer expansion with the use of an expansion board. A printed circuit board inserted into an expansion slot on the motherboard or backplane that provides additional features of a computer system. It is made up of the electronic pathways that connect the different external devices such as printer, etc. Compatibility. Compatibility is the capacity for two systems to work together without having to be altered to do so. Compatible software applications use the same data format. For reliability. In simple terms, research reliability is the degree to which research methods produce stable and consistent results. A specific measure is considered to be reliable if its application in the same object of measurement number of times produce the same result. Stability. Stability networks is committed to leveraging or technology expertise to help drive your business to greater success. Part of the mission is delivering value by providing excellent hardware at the best price. Stability networks can provide virtually any hardware or software solution that you need at a price you can afford. Part of the reason we can deliver that value is that we have access to a broad range of products. And that's all. Thank you.